like the looks of that. I really don't like the looks of this either. Son of a bitch. Great. Great, 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 great.
Friendly care package on the way. Team deathmatch.
At least we're winning.
Do not hesitate.
And I'm back at a 3-bar. And teammates are shooting me. Fucking great. Oh. That's an asshole. What the fuck? Asshole, get back here. Oh, thanks, teammate. Really? You're shooting at the wrong goddamn person. Oh, you fucking ass. Oh, I hate these teammates. I hate them already. I don't even know them, and I hate them. Teammates are the fucking worst. Yeah, that was the person. No, 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 no. Oh, team friendly. Oh, no, no, no! God. Fucking ghost asshole crouch walking. He's still crouch walking! Oh, oh, fuck off. Fucking decoys, too. From what I remember, this ACOG scope was the gimpiest fucking setup to use. Roll back, roll back. Oh, damn it. Didn't roll back. I don't have lightweight, so climbing is a big fucking risk. Shit!
Heads up, enemy RCXD spotted.
Yeah, I got precision, asshole. You ain't got shit.
Enemy spy plane above.
You ain't got shit on me. Get back right there.
Our counter spy planes in the air. Hostile RCXD spotted in your area. Victory is near. Keep fighting.
Ah, I blew it up. Fuck you. Oh, he's up here. No, he's not. He's on the side.
Spy plane ready for deployment.
Damn it. Ah, at least my clan got
Spy
something.
plane standing by. Our spy planes in the air. Enemy spy plane above.
What the fuck? Oh, the fucking AUG. It's the best gun in the game. Best gun in the game. What the fuck are you doing up there, asshole? No. I got heart. I'm gonna shoot through that shit like butter. Damn it.
Friendly RCXD inbound.
Where they at? Where they at? Where them girls at? God damn, this is horrible on this 3-bar. Oh. I'm surprised he wasn't crouch walking. Fucking nerds! No, dude, fuck these maps. I hate them. Hazard's such a clusterfuck. Yeah. Bay keeps texting. The bay keeps texting. Knee drum solo. Yeah. Knee drum solo. Oh fuck. Yeah, fuck it.
Team deathmatch. Do what is necessary, comrades.
Honestly, I don't remember how to play this map. Shit. Not like that, I guess. Put the jammer down right here. Oh shit, no. Oh, fuck! No! Are you fucking serious?
We've lost the lead.
Are you kidding me? You're kidding me, right?
Enemy spy plane incoming.
You don't deserve that spy plane, you little shithead. Great. He doesn't even have hopes. He doesn't even have fucking hopes. And yet he can do that. I'm the only one with a kill. What the fuck, team? Jesus, finally.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
Another fucking spy. Get the fuck out of that corner. Phone. Alright, hurry up. Respawn, thank you. What the fuck was that? Was that Tomahawk? Shit, teammate. No! No, you fucking don't.
Enemy sub turret incoming.
Oh, there you are. I'm waiting.
Spy plane ready for deployment.
Shit.
Our spy planes
Shit.
in the air.
Oh god, no.
Counter spy plane.
I got it.
Enemy spy plane
Fuck your
above.
shit, son.
Our counter spy plane.
Oh, get fucked. Get turned on. Get turned on. You're just sitting in the corner. Wow, dude. I'm gonna talk mad shit after this game. Those bushes, they look like people. Damn it. Oh, fuck, that is a person. Yep, you're camping.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
9 and 4, congrats. Congrats on playing like a fucking vagina. That doesn't reach that far, dumbass. Yeah, I got tagged in that bitch. You're an asshole. Whoa. Whoa. No.
We've taken the lead.
No.
Spy plane ready for deployment. Our spy planes in the air. Ready to jam enemy radar.
No.
Counter spy plane up. They are blind.
Damn it! Damn it. What the fuck are you all doing? Oh my. Ugh.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
wasn't for this 3-bar, I would have had him. Fuck me. Fuck out of here. Ninja frog.
Enemy spy plane
11 and
incoming.
4. Yeah, congrats. Oh, that's not a way. What the fuck am I doing? To the face. Oh shit. Reload. Are you kidding me? Fuck off, kid. Wow, my teammates are fucking get out of here. Well, it's not like we need to do anything. This game's moving by too slow. You're not helping.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
And where were you at? Like, really? You're just sitting behind me the whole time? Down, coach. Whoa. What? Oh, he's up in the office. No. Wow, dude, why can't I hit that guy? Why can't I hit that guy? Wow, I am fucking shooting him in the face. There's no fucking blow. There's no kickback. No fucking help.
Enemy spy plane above.
Fucking asshole teammates need to stop sniping at me.
Enemy care package incoming. Spy plane ready for deployment. We've taken the lead. Our counter spy planes in the air. Counter spy plane standing by. Our spy planes in the air. Heads up, enemy RCXD spotted.
Huh. I am not losing this game. There we go. That's what I needed. That's what you need.
Our SR-71's in the air.
Dexter! Come on, he's right here. Guy, right behind. Oh no, I can't get mad. You know, he's probably mentally challenged. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you know, you should be playing this game. God damn. Let me get some C4 action. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, that was awesome.
Enemy spy plane above. Spy plane standing by. Our spy plane's in the air.
Oh shit.
Jam enemy radar.
Oh, get dicked on. Get fucking dicked on.
Counter spy plane up. They are blind.
Damn it.
Friendly RCXD inbound.
I don't know where to go.
Enemy care package
I don't know where they come from. Oh shit. Go that way. Protect me. Ah, hijacker. Get challenges.
Counter spy plane standing by. Enemy spy plane incoming.
Ha ha! I just threw it up.
In the air.
Oh.
Time's almost up.
Oh. I got another Blackbird? Holy fuck, you get to bed.
Our SR-71
Attack!
in the air.
Oh shit, where was it? Oh. It was below. Oh yeah. Holy fuck, dude.
With each victory, we instill fear.
Take that, dog, you camping piece of shit. Whoa. 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 The lag. Fuck off, Ninja Frog. You're in your shit connection. Get 43 kills, then you can talk. We ain't even talking, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't leave, Ninja. Don't leave.